This was recorded earlier today. It's the live streaming cam at the mouth of the Tweed River. And for Saturday the 24th of February, welcome to another update via the Force 13th Australia Oceania channel. Whilst the tropical weather scene has quietened down considerably, here's the latest snapshot of the Bureau's radar. This was captured earlier today. You can actually see where the main rain activity is. It's some very impressive rainfall totals. And the Bureau of Meteorology here in Queensland continues to issue flood related information. And please check out the Bureau's warning pages for the latest. The Bureau of Meteorology here in Brisbane has cancelled their severe weather warning, and we have a minor flood warning for the Mary River, Logan and Albert Rivers, initial minor flood warning for the Charlies Creek, flood watch for coastal catchments from south of Tewantin to Bailey. That is, I think that's been cancelled. I'll just quickly have a look at it. Yes, they've issued the final warning, marine wind warning in place, New South Wales, and a severe weather warning for parts of the Snowy Mountains forecast districts. Minor flood warning for the Marshalls Creek. And a severe weather warning down there in Victoria. And it's for damaging winds for the East Gippsland, Northeast, West, South Gippsland forecast districts. Road weather alert current in Tasmania. And the Bureau in Victoria has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for damaging winds, heavy rainfall, large hailstones, East Gippsland, parts of the Northeast, West and South Gippsland districts. Here's a look at the storm probability from 10 a.m. through to the same period tomorrow. And you can note the areas in purple. The latest instability, and a cold front associated trough located about the central districts will continue moving eastward, crossing the remainder of the Victorian state during the evening. Severe thunderstorms are likely to produce damaging winds, heavy rainfall may lead to flash flooding, large hailstones in the warning area over the next several hours. Here's the latest Bureau of Meteorology's total forecast rain, and again it's the area in blue, purple, pink, red. Locations which may be affected include Wodonga, Corryon, Bright, Barnsdale, Orbost and Falls Creek. That's the severe thunderstorm warning down there in various parts of Victoria. Now here's a look at precipitation, the values bottom left hand side of the screen. And all these images are in 3 hourly periods. Total accumulated precipitation, and again it's the areas in yellow. And again, it's northern New South Wales, Queensland border, right up to Cape York. Now here's a look at the Himawari 8 satellite view of the western region. A little bit of convection or flaring around Christmas Island over there in the South Indian Ocean, the 850 millibar vorticity. There is a 1000 millibar low down there in the Great Australian Bight. That could be Kelvin. The wind shear. The 24-hour shear tendency. It looks a lot more healthier than what it was this time last week. The upper level divergence. The Himawari 8 satellite view, southwestern Pacific region. And you can see the activity to the southeast of Cairns down over the Coral Sea. And we look at the upper level divergence. The wind shear, the red's unfavourable, green is favourable. And 24-hour shear tendency. And the 850 millibar vorticity.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter, search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype, or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.